Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Passat. The Volkswagen Passat is roomy and powerful. It is a supple and controlled ride with a quiet and comfortable ride. Volkswagen brings it all together and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, heated front seats, trip computer, power windows, CD player. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.